Look what just happened to my sunglasses, guys. Look. See? This is what Leica did to my sunglasses. Oh. This sunglasses from Canada. And also this one. So, tanawag yun sa ni Leica ni iyang gikunis-kunis. So, hindi na niya magamit. This will be thrown to the trash. Daw guys. Hindi ayo jud niya og kit-kit. See? Guba jud kaayo. Sang tumoy. Migay wa siya nasamad ani oh. It's pointy. See? Iguba jud niya. Gi-crack. This was packaged to me from Canada. And look at that. This is what happened. See? Nani ka? Very good si Leica mo. Guba of things. Goodbye my sunglasses. Rest in peace. This is Kwan, guys. Bailey Nelson. See the brand. Hi. See? Look at that. This is from Leupold. My Leupold sunglasses. It's ruined. Leica ruined my Leupold sunglasses. Goodbye. It breaks my heart. Goodbye.